Hello everyone, this is my review of RovyVon Aurora A8 4th generation, and despite its small size, this flashlight delivers an impressive 650 lumens with a 6500 K cool white beam, perfect for nighttime walks and finding items in dark spaces. The 650 lumen output is remarkable for such a tiny device, convenient and fast charging with modern USB-C compatibility. Multiple light modes for versatile lighting options, including sidelights of UV, red, and white, a feature I have never seen before on flashlights for various situations. The sturdy construction feels solid and reliable. It also comes with magnetic clip-ons so you can mount it to any metal surface, and it makes a great keychain accessory. Overall, the RovyVon Aurora A8 is reliable, bright, and incredibly convenient. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.